guys, it's Vespa. Welcome back to Resin Belle. I am a little behind on videos over here. I've been focusing on my paper craft channel over at Vintiquities. If you're interested in paper crafts and Halloween crafts right now, go check that channel out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But here we are opening two subscription boxes, two Sophie and Toffee, the Elves box premium subscription boxes. I believe this is July and August. I'm not 100% sure, but let's get into this. I am excited for both of these. I've been waiting to open them and I am ready to get going. So we'll start with the pretty turquoise one. I love this color. I love the kind of rose gold looking lettering on it and everything. It is just such a pretty box and the color is just my color. So we're going to get into this. Yes, I was correct. It is the July Elves box. Woo! And this is the succulents box, and my kiddo was so excited for this. He loves succulents and I'm excited for it. I am ready to try it out. So this right here is the kind of stone air dry clay, which is pretty cool. Excited to try that out. Here we've got what looks like a little there's like a little house and a little shell and some things that we can put into our little terrariums. Here is some gray UV resin. Don't have any of that color, so that'll be fun to play with. We've got some little toothpicks and some little sand powder type stuff, I assume. Yes, some kind of little sand that we can put in our little terrariums. Oh, there's so many pretty little goodies in this box. There's some little rocks. We can make all kinds of pretty things. Here is a miniature kind of succulent mold. So that's kind of cool. We're excited to try that one out. Here are some rocks that we can put in and decorate our terrarium. Here is another succulents mold. Very cute. Excited to try that out. And then we have some orange UV resin. Very cool. Then we've got some crystal art gel in white. Some forest green UV resin. Lots of cool colors of UV resin in here. We've got some more crystal art gel in yellow. And some crystal art gel in green. So we can make all kinds of pretty succulents. So here we have our little two-sided terrarium, hanging terrarium, kind of like an ornament. So we've got that side there, which is pretty cool. And then we have this side here, which has a little hole in the side, which is pretty cool as well. So awesome. Very cool. That's going to be fun to work with. Put it together there, you make your little succulents and make a little terrarium there. And then this is all kinds of really pretty little things that we can use to decorate the terrarium. And oh, it's so pretty. Look at all of those choices. I love the colors they sent. Such pretty stuff. Oh, that's going to be a fun box to use and to play with. So awesome. We're going to be making some succulents pretty soon. I still haven't gotten a chance to play with my miniature boba tea box yet. I've been so busy. I am about to release my own molds, and I'm just waiting for a few more supplies to come in the mail, and then I should be doing a release sometime in the next few weeks. Really excited about that. So that is the July Sophie and Toffee Elves box. Now we're going to go to the August box. August box is a dice box. It is a full set of dice plus a dice tray. This box is so freaking heavy. I swear it's the heaviest box I've ever gotten from them. So, wow, look how pretty this color. I love this purple box. It is just gorgeous. Beautiful lettering on the sides. I love this box. So, polyhedral dice. Woohoo! All right, so we have a little piece of felt for the inside of our dice box. Oh my gosh, there are, look how full this box is of molds. This is probably one of the best mold boxes I've gotten from them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got the 7 dice molds. 7 dice molds. Very cool. We've got a little package of magnets in there so that we can close our box. Woo! We've got this really pretty glitter. It's kind of a purpley iridescent glitter. Love that color. That's really nice. Here we've got some metallic acrylic paint in light gold. Very cool. It's got very kind of pearlescent gold sheen to it. So that's pretty awesome. Here we have the epoxy resin, 3-to-1 ratio. Not my favorite resin, but it works if you're out. That's usually when I use it. It just takes a long time to cure, but very happy with that. Lots of resin. And then a great big dice container to store your dice in. Sorry for the crinkle. Okay, this is very cool. It has a hole for each die, and then the top of the mold goes on like so. So you have this part opens up into like a little tray so that you can set your dice there. You cut your little felt to go on top. So I am very excited to try out this mold. This is an awesome mold. Very, very, very excited. Very good quality. Everything seems to be pretty level. Fairly level. Well, I said that and then I'm looking at it and it's not so level on that side. But so we got a thicker thickness on this side than we do on this side, which might cause a little bit of an issue, but we'll just see. We may have to tilt this mold a little bit. But alrighty then. Still excited about this mold. It's a really cool box, so we're going to get into it. If you want to subscribe to Sophie and Toffee, I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can go check that out. It will give you a discount on your first month subscription. There's usually really good boxes. They're getting really good at really curating these boxes well. So the August Elves box. Really pretty. Regular box items. 7 sets of polyhedral dice silicone molds. Light gold acrylic paint. Iridescent purple pigment powder. And epoxy resin. Those were the regular box items this month. Premium add-ons were the cloth felt, magnets, and the dice box holder. So those are pretty good premium add-ons. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, very, very nice box. Very happy about that. Here's a 10% discount code. So yes, very, very nice box. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I am going to be back and I'm going to be doing some of these crafts with these resin products. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for everyone who's already subscribed. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like paper crafts, go check out my Vintiquities YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Resin Belle. I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye!